Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button for me down below. So I'm so excited about today because I'm doing my first collaboration with two of the girls, Stephanie and Tiffany, that I love following here on YouTube. We just decided to put together some organizing and deep cleaning videos and share them with you guys. So Stephanie from Stephanie Mendoza, she has lots of fun family vlogs and her little girl is such a cutie. She also has some yummy recipes and I've been enjoying her cleaning routine so much. And then Tiffany from Tiffany Green, you guys, she's such a sweetheart. She also has an almost 4-month-old baby girl and is doing cleaning, meal prepping, baby updates, all the joys of being a brand new mommy. She also has a nursery video that is a must-see. I know my kids are a little bit older, but if you're a mom to younger kids, make sure you guys check them out. I'm going to have the links down below in the description. And now to just go ahead and get on with the video, you guys, are you seeing how much of a mess my pantry is right now? Like, it is just ridiculous at this point. I have a lot of work cut out for me, so I do hope you guys enjoy this video and you guys get motivation to clean those areas in your home that you guys are needing to declutter or just kind of get organized. So what I'm going to start off by doing first is just checking all the labels on the foods that I know we haven't used in a while. So I'm just going through that and then just throwing away all the stuff that needs to get tossed out, that is old or empty. That's what I'm going to be doing first. guys, so that is it for my declutter and deep clean my pantry. I'm going to be showing you guys the before and then the after. I love the way it came out, you guys. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up and make sure you guys subscribe, and don't forget to check out Stephanie and Tiffany's channel. I'm going to have the links to their channel in my description down below, so you make sure you guys check those out, and thanks for watching. Bye.